In this video, we'll be highlighting the top cryptocurrencies to watch in 2023, so you can keep an eye on these promising projects and make educated investment choices. In order to identify the top cryptocurrencies to watch in 2023, we have considered several factors that contribute to a project's potential success and growth. First, we looked at market capitalization, which gives us an idea of the size and stability of a cryptocurrency. Next, we considered technological innovation and utility, as cutting-edge solutions and practical use cases can drive demand and adoption. We also took into account adoption and use cases, assessing how widely the cryptocurrency is being used in real-world applications. Community support and development activity play a significant role in a project's success, so we considered the strength and engagement of the community behind each cryptocurrency. Lastly, we examined the regulatory environment, as favorable regulations can encourage growth and adoption. By evaluating these criteria, we have selected the top cryptocurrencies to watch in 2023. Now let's dive into the top cryptocurrencies to watch in 2023, starting with Bitcoin, BTC. As the market leader in digital gold, Bitcoin has established itself as a store of value, and its ongoing institutional adoption further cements its status. Layer 2 scaling solutions, such as the Lightning Network, will continue to enhance its usability. Next is Ethereum, ETH, the largest smart contract platform that hosts the majority of DeFi and NFT ecosystems. With the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade and transition to proof of stake, we expect even more growth and development in the space. Binance Coin, BNB, is the native token of the Binance Smart Chain, which has a rapidly growing DeFi ecosystem. BNB has multiple use cases within the Binance ecosystem, making it an important player to keep an eye on. Solana, SOL, is a high-performance blockchain platform known for its scalability and low transaction costs. With a growing ecosystem of DApps, NFTs, and DeFi, Solana has the potential to become a major contender in the market. Cardano, ADA, is a peer-reviewed smart contract platform focusing on sustainability and decentralization. As it continues to develop, Cardano has the potential to make significant strides in the DeFi and NFT markets. Polkadot, DATE, is an interoperable blockchain platform that connects multiple blockchains. Its active development and potential for increased adoption make it a strong contender for growth in 2023. Finally, Chainlink, Link, is a decentralized oracle network that connects on-chain and off-chain data. Widely adopted in DeFi projects, Chainlink's importance in the space is expected to grow as the market evolves. In addition to the top cryptocurrencies we've discussed, there are several emerging cryptocurrencies with potential that are worth keeping an eye on in 2023. These include Avalanche, AVAX, a high-performance blockchain platform that enables the creation of custom blockchain networks and supports a rapidly growing ecosystem of decentralized applications. Algorand, Algo, a scalable, secure, and decentralized platform that aims to improve transaction speeds and energy efficiency, making it an attractive option for various use cases. Cosmos, Atom, a decentralized network of independent, scalable, and interoperable blockchains. Cosmos focuses on solving key problems like scalability, usability, and sovereignty, which could lead to significant growth in the future. Phantom, FTM, a high-speed, scalable, and secure smart contract platform that offers near-instant transactions and extremely low fees. Phantom is gaining traction in the DeFi and NFT spaces, making it one to watch in the coming year. When considering investing in cryptocurrencies, it's essential to follow some key tips to ensure you make informed decisions. Do thorough research before investing. Make sure to learn about the project's fundamentals, team, and technology, as well as its use cases and potential for growth. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across multiple cryptocurrencies to minimize risk and maximize potential gains. Consider long-term potential and use cases. Focus on cryptocurrencies with strong long-term prospects, real-world applications, and the potential to disrupt traditional industries. Stay updated on market trends and news. Keep an eye on the latest developments in the cryptocurrency space, as well as news that could impact the market and individual cryptocurrencies. Manage risk and invest responsibly. Only invest what you can afford to lose, and consider using risk management strategies like dollar cost averaging or stop-loss orders to protect your investments. In this section, we'll explore the role of stablecoins in the crypto market. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies designed to maintain a stable value by pegging them to a reserve of assets, typically a fiat currency like the US dollar. Their primary purpose is to provide stability in an otherwise volatile market, making them useful for various applications. Popular stablecoins to keep an eye on include USD Coin, USDC, Binance USD, BUSD, and DAI. Each of these stablecoins has its own unique features, backing mechanisms, and levels of transparency, but they all serve the same core function of providing a stable store of value within the crypto ecosystem. Stablecoins have several use cases, making them an essential part of the cryptocurrency landscape. They are widely used in trading as a means to mitigate risk during market downturns or to lock in profits. In the DeFi space, stablecoins are often used in lending and borrowing platforms, as well as for liquidity provision in decentralized exchanges. Additionally, stablecoins have the potential to facilitate cross-border transactions, allowing for quicker and more cost-effective money transfers compared to traditional banking systems. However, the growing popularity of stablecoins has also attracted regulatory scrutiny. Regulators worldwide have expressed concerns about the potential for stablecoins to disrupt the traditional financial system, facilitate illicit activities, or evade capital controls. As a result, the stablecoin market may face more stringent regulations in the future, which could impact their development and adoption. Nevertheless, stablecoins will continue to play a significant role in the broader cryptocurrency market, offering stability and utility in various applications. In this section, we'll discuss Layer 2 scaling solutions and their importance in the cryptocurrency space. Layer 2 solutions are technologies built on top of existing blockchain networks, aiming to improve scalability, reduce transaction fees, and increase transaction throughput. By implementing these off-chain solutions, Layer 2 networks aim to address some of the most significant challenges faced by many cryptocurrencies today. Notable Layer 2 projects to watch include the Lightning Network for Bitcoin, Optimism and Arbitrum for Ethereum, and zkSync for various blockchains. These projects employ different mechanisms, such as payment channels, rollups, and zero-knowledge proofs, to enhance the capabilities of their respective base layer networks. Layer 2 solutions play a critical role in addressing scalability issues that have long plagued major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. By enabling faster and cheaper transactions, Layer 2 networks can help drive the adoption of cryptocurrencies for everyday use and support more complex applications, such as decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. The potential impact of Layer 2 scaling solutions on the overall cryptocurrency ecosystem is substantial. As these technologies mature and gain wider adoption, they could help reduce network congestion, lower transaction fees, and provide a better user experience for crypto users. This, in turn, could lead to broader adoption of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, further solidifying their position as a critical component of the future financial landscape. In this section, we'll discuss cross-chain interoperability and its significance in connecting the diverse world of cryptocurrencies. Cross-chain interoperability enables seamless communication, data sharing, and asset transfers between different blockchain networks. This ability to interact and collaborate across various platforms is crucial for the long-term success and mass adoption of blockchain technology. Polkadot and Cosmos are two pioneering projects in the realm of blockchain connectivity. Both networks aim to facilitate cross-chain communication by providing a framework for connecting multiple independent blockchains into a single, interoperable ecosystem. These projects use different approaches, with Polkadot employing a relay chain and parachain structure, while Cosmos utilizes a hub and zone model. Many top cryptocurrencies, such as Cardano and Solana, are also working on developing interoperability features within their networks. This could involve building bridges to connect with other blockchain platforms or implementing standards that enable seamless communication between different networks. Looking ahead, the potential for a more interconnected crypto landscape is immense. As blockchain technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more collaboration and integration among various projects. Cross-chain interoperability could help to eliminate siloed ecosystems and enable a more cohesive, efficient, and user-friendly experience across the entire cryptocurrency space. This interconnectedness could further drive innovation, open up new use cases, and promote the widespread adoption of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology.